In this video, we are going to see how to use the Bible option in Charis LMS app. This is Learning Management app. This is Bible section, and on top, click on ISV drop down. Here we see KJV, KJV Plus, and ISV, and I press on KJV Plus version, and this is the KJV Plus version of the Bible. So when I click on the strong number, this displays the meaning of the strong word. So I go back to KJV version and I long press on verse number 3. I'm going to show you how we can take down our own notes. So I long press on verse number 3. So here it shows take notes and show notes. So I click on take notes. So it gives you a option to type your notes. So I'm typing my notes and I save my note. And after we enter our note, it shows a pen tool on the right side of the verse. And when I long press again, it shows me that edit notes or show notes. So I click on show notes and here is my note that I have written. So this is how we can use the Bible app in Charis LMS app. Thank you.